What's up, YouTube? Back at it again. Today we doing a vlog, you know what I'm saying? About to head out and go fishing with the guys. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what we get into. You know what I'm saying? Let you meet the guy. Let me show y'all the guys real quick. You know what I'm saying? It's my guy Smitty. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Yo, we gonna catch big fish today, boy. Boy, Kato.
Kato, you know what I'm saying? Yo. Got the bait going over here. He making the bait up.
Yeah, showing the bait. So what we got here, we got some garlic chicken. And with the Kool-Aid patch, man, the catfish, they love it, man. We're gonna try to catch some catfish tonight. We got some shrimp right here. Just some garlic powder. We're gonna use some garlic, minced garlic later when we get there. Let the shrimp fall out a little bit.
We gonna see.
Oh yeah, and trust and believe, we catch something. We gonna try to cook a little something up out there. You know what I'm saying? I got the hot sauce in the bag ready to go. You know what I'm saying? Playing no games.
Kool-Aid.
Yep. Gotta put some right here.
Got some poles out here. I don't know what the hell they is. You know what I'm saying? There's some fishing poles though. Got this to take out that bitch. You know what I'm saying?
Now, there's something that they told me to do every time you get a frog, you want to cut the tail a little bit. The little strings, like, make it look like feet.
Oh yeah, they go that hot sauce I was talking about, you know what I'm saying? Can't go wrong with the Texas Pete.
Anybody want to do a smell test?
Hell no.
This stuff's gonna stink. You ready, baby?
Out here, water, yeah. Out here, water looking beautiful out here. And cast the heads on out there. You know what I'm saying? That's the one I'm using, but shit. What you got going on over here, fam?
You know, putting the worm on the hook, you know what I'm saying, for my lady. She about to cast out. Hopefully she get her something big. We gonna see. We'll see today. Hopefully we cook us up some fish later on tonight.
I hope so.
There you go, boy.
What you got going on over here?
Threw my catfish pro out. Threw some shrimp out and everything. So right now we're just gonna be patient. See if something hit that joint
Going over to the dock. See? Boy, this thing rocking.
Motherfuckers, man. They got off this time. And we gonna get them out here, man. Bro, you better throw your shit in there, bro.
Man, I'm gonna throw mine in there, but I can't, you know what I'm saying? I won't record myself, throw it here, record real quick.
Bro, my hook trying to be too big or something, yo.
You got something nibbling over there.
Got some little in it, yo. Nice, bro. You know what kind of day it is,
You know
man.
what I'm saying? I ain't fished in a while, so you know what I'm saying? I got a bad weather brother, you know what I'm saying? We out here though. Carry the line on out there. Dang.
Nice little cast, nice little cast.
I don't think I'm catching nothing but waves. Waves of water.
He on the frog.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't catching nothing, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, you know what I'm saying? I ain't fish, so I don't know if you're supposed to leave a line in or not. But you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw it one more time, see what we're gonna do, you know what I'm saying? So we throw this thing out there a little bit.
See what you got.
All this
Okay.
stuff.
Give it fast reel. Got my little frog.
But shit, it ain't over yet, you know what I'm saying?
It ain't over.
It's still the beginning of it, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what we get by the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? Man, look. That spot was a dub, so I guess we moving on to the next spot. You know what I'm saying? I don't know where we going, but let's see where we end up at, man.
You know what I mean? We out here, man. Side of the road. We just cleaning up and shit.
You're not dead.
I don't give. He not hurt nobody. He done.
Chop his head off, man. Chop his head off.
Yeah.
He done.
Hey, go ahead and get that. You got some bait now. We can fry some snake. Hey, you
They
know
told me though.
Hey, we eating steak tonight, y'all.
Y'all eating steak tonight?
I never ate.
We out here in the middle of the road, pulled over because this man wanted to kill a snake.
Hell,
Oh, he moving. Here, Phil.
he a big one too.
Oh, he still moving.
Cook him up tonight.
You putting him in your shit?
We gonna put him in his car.
Don't put him in my motherfucking car, bitch.
Hey, I knew this shit.
Walmart bag, put him in
Where
cool.
we gonna put him at? In the bucket? Y'all got a bag?
Yeah, it should be a bag in there.
Put him in there with the minnows.
You gonna try that for me? You got gloves on? This nigga for real.
Bro, he keeps fucking sliding off
The knife, bro. Come on, man. Come on, bro.
Yes, sir.
That shit crazy.
Hey man, I feel your muscles, my boy. Get up. Roach.
Got some snakes for later on. Let's get up out of here.
Or they think we fucking hiding something.
Got us out in the middle of the road, doing crazy shit. bats. Like I need to find a new spot.
Right here on this area. I wish my freaking cash don't.
Oh, shit. Yeah, all right. Okay.
Hey, what? I'm gonna get my. Jump, jump. Yeah.
Yeah, let's get them. Had to get me a blue raspberry. I forgot to bring the damn minnows over here.
Hey man, say man, look man. They gotta let me cast out. I'm about to catch me a big one. What else is right here? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me do that. I'm about to catch a big one. All right here. Come on, baby. That's a bucket. Come on, baby.
Should we look, he can bring everything over here to this spot. Look. Look out here in Savage. Hey, this one.
So we gotta catch at least one, man.
No, I'm trying to catch one. I'm trying to try to beat them. I'm thinking one.
I'm trying to at least try. Even if I catch one, we'll split it all up. We try it, you know what I'm saying? We should catch them off, bro.
This is spacious.
Yeah, I was like, yeah.
This shit look good.
Oh,
I'm about to say,
have a good night, bro. I'm just moving it a little bit closer because I feel like it's here.
Hey, my line's out there, cuz.
Alright. Playing a patience game.
Yep, that's all it is. I'm about to move the bait over here.
Oh, well, whoever did that, thank you.
Hey, I was already on it, man. Cause I was like, we right here, like this area, so I just put it in between and there and stuff.
Yeah. I'll put. Hold on. Where you at?
This bitch right here.
Oh my God. Hold on.
Bro, why you here?
Yes, sir.
God,
You gotta put him in there with the crab.
yeah, for real.
Yeah.
Baby. It's in there too for bro. I'm gonna have to get some pliers. You wanna get no pliers? I think it's gonna rip his shit loose. That shit ain't coming out yet.
Cut him up, man.
There you go.
Throw him back out there.
Yeah,
Wash them off. You know what I'm saying? A little baby bluegill first of the day. You have a stringer?
Yeah.
What a stringer?
It should be in one of those bags. Right. Oh, matter of fact, it's in my back box.
Man, we need that stringer right quick.
What's the stringer?
Let me show you. Right here, fam. It's in your box, you said?
Yeah, my tackle box.
You know what I'm saying? A little stringer. Straight to Walmart. You gotta be some good eats, you know what I'm saying?
Caught the first one the other day. I ain't catch it. But hey, Smitty caught one, you know what I'm saying? I'm still working on mine. So we definitely gotta get me one, you know what I'm saying? But just give me a second, you know what I'm saying?
We gotta get you recorded like that, bro.
I know.
Hard. Yeah, little baby. You know. Yeah, man, look at that, bro.
Right now, I'm doing a challenge called, we're gonna see if they want the shrimp more or the chicken. You know. Throw this out here.
You better fish with that.
What? Oh no, that's just to keep the fish.
Oh, okay. So instead of keeping them in the bucket, you just keep them in the water.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, I'm just going.
You need worms, man. Where worms at?
They over there too.
You need to get you a worm on there if you want to catch one.
I know about the worms now.
It's when you least expect it, yo. It's always right there.
What you got on there?
Yeah,
Phone.
You need to put live bait on there. Let me get some more. What's in the live?
No, you can. He said that's not loud. Like a minnow or something. Yeah, a minnow or. I still got the damn worm off of it. You don't want to worm in there, minnow? You need a worm for? Let's make you Bruce Lee or something, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just, Alright, fam. I'm trying to come with something like this. There she go again. Fam, yours you gotta keep rolling in. You might as well let me put mine on the stand like that, man. Okay, I'll just use put the thing through there. Oh. Let me throw mine out this way. Come on, bro. Come on, baby. Let me know. Hey, grab it like you did, bro. Appreciate you. Yeah, good fish in the fish. Over there, man. Yeah. You get a darker. What was that?
Oi, Bill. Chicken bell, chicken bell, chicken bell.
Come out. Woo, where's that?
Chicken bell, chicken bell. Chicken bell. Chicken bell. Oh my God.
Hold on. Yeah, our lines on my phone.
No, you got it good. There you go. Come on, man.
It's catfishing, but
If I got a bluegill, that's how you get deeper. If I got a bluegill, I'll probably make it deeper.
alright, so I might try.
What's the fucking name? No, that's not me, bro. That's not Josh. Go outside. Be careful of winter hair. Yep, there it is. Boom. I'm in there. Go with the right there. There's number 2 today. Oh, look. Come on. Took the tree out, buddy.
Bubba.
Bubba. That's nothing but seaweed. They're all okay. Hey, cause I've been taking that. That's all one thing.
I like this spot though.
Yeah, I like this spot. You just gotta find the right thing. When we find it though, we in there.
Right here.
You take it like that, something. There's nothing but the seaweed. And you can't let it hit the ground like that. You gotta bite the whole time. Like, I don't know how to do all that. That's the reason I've been using this one. You just tie a ball. Look, take this. You just put the bobber on there. Tie a hook at the end. That's it. That's good work. I'm gonna put my big
Catch something big, I don't know, but we'll see. Come on, baby. I know y'all want that right there. Yeah, put my foot up. I want to get the bun. Hey, let me know if something hit it.
I'm about to take a drink.
Where'd you put the bun at?
It's literally on the speaker.
Oh, brown got it. Y'all park your lighter, come. Really?
Schmittyville. Hey, got some scissors and a razor. Just put the fingers. My fingers out.
Wow.
I did that a while ago, but I took my damn fingers out.
Yeah, you can't pull. You can't let tension be on it. So you gotta like look.
Yeah, I did it with the line.
Under arm it. Grab it. And then. What's up, man?
Can't get my good hook out.
What you catch on for?
No, worm. My worms are right here.
The weight still on there, leave my weight on there.
Yeah, and you can tie a knot like right here, and you hold it up there. What you do your weight?
Oh, you should do it. It's just taking. Tie a knot.
And it's starting to cool down.
Switch it out.
That is a massive ass choke drill. Choke looking choke, bro.
Is it the octopus?
This the shit that. How much is that? About $10. That is good for like big ass catfish though. So the catfish shit it is. Great, you got a strong pole, you got big ass.
I'm gonna throw this out here for now so they get used to the taste of it.
Mm.
And the scent. But right now, I'm gonna switch up. Worms, my boy.
Worms over there.
Where?
Behind the bucket.
Oh, you recorded?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit. Fuck with that shit.
Hey baby. Try over there. The other pond, away from it.
Yeah, to the room, but they'll stay in my motherfucking city.
You go get it though, fam. I want to do this every weekend, bro. Like you bring your girl out, you know what I'm saying? Like whatever you, or if you want to come by yourself, it doesn't matter. But we need to start doing this every weekend. You know what I mean?
This
Not
is my
just
thing,
chilling
bro.
by the lake. You know what I mean?
This is my piece.
Every weekend, yeah, just peaceful. You know what I'm saying?
That shit on there right.
Yeah. And if you don't
This
think it is,
juicy
you
worm.
I don't think so. Take away the weight for that on. Take the weight on it, right?
No, I don't think so.
The more you extend, the more I'm gonna make you crazy, bro.
You want to hold the actual pole so it don't catch you?
Damn. We'll be alright.
Oh, hell, here come these damn birds.
Oh shit, let me grab the one. Alright.
Different what?
You can lay it down if you want to.
They don't know right. Yeah. I don't think this tail on there right there.
You want me to set you up? Let me set you up, bro. Here,
Cause I tell you, do some shit I seen on the thing where they wrapping around here.
I got you with off with that. That's too much, bro. Back in survival day, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. Look. Watch how I do this. Go set up this whole pole. Yeah, yeah. Go set up. 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 Go set up Man, that's what I need to do.
Stand my hand a little bit, be alright though, you know what I'm saying?
Sounds like.
Can't sit down, cry.
Something slight it go with the damn program.
This is the actual.
You get started? Let me go out there. Make sure I look juicy, nigga.
I ain't even recording your face on this.
Tell them the situation and how you fix it.
Shit, there you go. Yeah. I was doing it myself, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, pretty much. We're not getting no bites off of artificial. So we're going to go ahead and switch over to real bait for my cousin, you know what I'm saying? We'll lock him in and shit.
Man, look. Don't be talking shit in the comments. I ain't fixing the wire, so I don't. Hey. But, hey, I'm getting right, though. Fam, don't get me right. You know what I'm saying? So, we out
All
here.
that extra shit, the mother knots. Nigga, I'm a tie knot on this shit, you know what I'm saying?
We out here. And we gonna try to catch up. See, we already caught one thing. I'm trying to catch mine, you know what I'm saying? Put some hot sauce on that bitch.
For real. Yes, sir. We just go run that up in there. Oh, yo, Goose, you got your little light of it. You ready to go? That's it. You gotta put your bobber on there. You got a bobber or you need a bobber, sir?
Have to
Okay,
Turn around right quick.
you tangled up as well.
weight down a little bit. Look good.
I need to get so crazy. Overnight, not so long. No, what's called, look, see, like, that's why I got this shit up here. This shit will land on the water, and this will sink down. The bottom will sink down. And you just be sitting on it. Did you have it twisted up?
He twisted no more.
No, I'm sorry. It's operator error right there.
Weight too high up there.
See, operator error. I told you what the
Too
hell.
much strain, dude. I don't even know what to do.
it's time for that. That's why I'm not.
I do hate that. We could get the cooler, come up and stand in the cooler and blow it out. Because it feels like it's cool. Fam, you gonna do it?
I thought you were talking to him.
You want take everything? Bubba, get out of there. Take everything out the cooler. Get in the cooler. Blow it off in the cooler. And somebody asked me when they go past, be like, "You ever pushing me on the radio?" Hold on.
Yeah, they at the hospital right now. They at the hospital right now. That's why they taking on her tongue. Right there.
Bubba, what you doing?
I'm gonna take this call.
I swear it's a whole lot easier with that damn frog. This shit getting on my nerves.
This is why I wish I had my.
Just leave it out there.
No, not that.
Oh, throwing it.
Yeah, because I can't cast it like I did before.
Bro, help him for me, bro. Can you tell me where the hell is that way? Yeah, somebody can use it. And I need will you grab Dion's lighter for me?
Oh, Dion, you good?
Oh, yeah.
No, you gotta help him up. You don't even get the whole thing over there. Look, look the ring in the arm. You can watch it.
Let me catch this shit.
Look.
See what I can find. Alright, y'all can use this. I'll be back. Alright. Wait, the machete in the car, right?
Yeah, back seat.
Oh yeah, I ain't even gonna do that before they think of it.
Always go where it's in the area. Don't go far out.
You got to get right. Let me get right. I'm gonna change it out, man.
I'm gonna try over here a couple more times. I don't like it.
What hooks you have on this? These?
The small one, I got one on me.
These right here?
Oh, some of my chicken right there.
Yeah, Gotta wash my hands, so. Gotta roll for it. You try to pour this over my head. We about to catch some more, bro. But we got one for a salmon. You know what I'm saying? To make the video gonna be tough, though, bro. If you, some of this shit is recorded right now.
Today.
What you catching off of?
Shiners. The other one was a little bit bigger.
To the dirt.
Oh my goodness, that is crazy.
Where's your stringer at? You can't put him in there, he's gonna die. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
We gonna cook him anyway.
That's that string too.
I never noticed how big it was. It's that. Wait, is that the same thing?
For sure.
It caught a big fish. Wait, he was the one who caught it?
Shauna, so y'all need to put y'all's minnows on there.
Go over there, fish way over there.
Appreciate it, man. What?
I was pointing at my, you saying, pointing at the cam. The switch positions again, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully we gonna catch some over here. We done caught some more, but I ain't get to catch it on camera, man. Y'all gonna see what it is at the end, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all all the fish. What you done caught over there? Somebody here? I know. That's what I've been catching too. This the pro fisherman over here.
You feel me? 3 of them. There was a big one over there in the middle over there. I don't know if we can get around there or not. I don't know if we have to have a boat or not.
The way you said middle, I think, yeah.
No, on the other side.
We could probably work our way around.
What over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, nah. It ain't that bad, serious. I would caught some here too. They gotta keep these bitches out the damn water. Losing their shit out here.
At least y'all caught something. One of y'all caught something.
Somebody caught something, Smitty. But one of them was mine though, but you know, I let them claim it.
It's all good, man.
Yep.
See, he playing with you, bro.
Who?
Whatever the fuck is over there, cause I just heard that
I
bitch.
told y'all, bro.
Nigga think it's a game, huh?
Yeah, he playing with you right now.
It's all right. I'll catch it, man.
He said Latrell, who? Yeah, he ain't go.
He said chop a who? He ain't chop nothing over here.
All right, bet. Where are you at?
He over that way somewhere.
Out there?
Like around that area. Where you at, but I don't know. I just heard him over there. Get me this call up the street. Oh damn, I done stepped on the worm.
Ain't no worms in there.
This one worm right here is 2 of them.
Bro, you get worms. Yeah. I done caught me a caddy, a blue eel. Now I gotta catch all
Who you think it is? That one?
anaconda.
There you go.
He caught him.
I even caught me a goddamn snake, nigga. Like, come on, bro.
you out here hunting for real.
Really just surviving. What? Oh yeah.
Next time, let's go hunt for deer.
Oh yeah, can't have no gun.
Huh?
Oh, something might be on me.
Get it, get it. Get it, fam. Get it, fam. Come on, bro. Don't slap me in the back of the head.
You got nibbled on, but
Yeah, hook probably too big with your big hook having that. Where's your shit at, what's up?
Under this tree.
Man, let's see, bro. Let me push around. First off, you got stuff on the end of your worm. Second off, you need to go up on your barber just a little bit. I think.
probably need to go down with it, cause hell.
They ain't coming to the surface like that, though. I'm catching mine at about a foot down.
I hear 'em.
Oh, come on, Chop. Let me get where you at. Let me get where you at, bro. Let me get where y'all at, bro. Y'all can't fish. Come on, bro. Oh my God. Yeah, you might as well let me get there.
Darn, I thought I had some.
Well, if something get it, he gonna get the whole fucking thing.
Just sit right there.
Y'all got it.
Bro,
Man, look, this whole thing done came off.
you just gotta redo it, bro. That's how it happens. That's why you gotta have multiple poles and shit. It happens like that, man. You might land that big old water here.
Now, if something grab it now, it'd be like, shit, that's my hook, though.
Yeah, but you got one, though. You didn't get it in, but you got it.
It catch it technically. Motherfucker caught it too.
Getting a little different over here.
They check me out. Catfish think I'm stupid. You don't see the bottom now.
I don't know if y'all can see my barber, but you know, there it is right there. Crazy. How you doing, man?
Same
Yeah, I feel you, bro.
going
How you feeling over there?
You know what I'm saying? 3 of them hoes today so far.
Go ahead and show 'em.
Probably gonna have more.
Go ahead and
Might as well show them the fish. I come over there and show them.
I'm saying, like, you know what I'm saying? We got a couple, you know what I'm saying? We got that one, you know what I'm saying? Let me, go back right there. You know what I'm saying? We got that one. We got a couple on the line down there. This, got a couple right there. Yeah. So we will be having some sandwiches. I ain't catch none of them personally yet, but you know what I'm saying? See, I don't know how long we gonna be out here, but you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. But you know what I'm saying? We out here having a good time, you know what I'm saying? Like we lit, you know what I'm saying? Like,
That's all that matters.
that's all that matters, you know what I'm saying? Living life. But I don't know what the fuck I was about to say, but hey, we out here, man. Get a beautiful view, you know what I'm saying? This shit pretty as hell, ain't it? Shit beautiful out that motherfucker, man. Yo, so this the end, you know what I'm saying? We finally got the fish at the crib. You know what I'm saying? We got them in there right there, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to fillet them on up.
All right. Can I start with the big one?
Yeah, you can start with the big one if you want to. Go ahead and fillet that motherfucker.
All right, brothers. Okay. Let's start with this big old boy right here. He weighs like 60 pounds, so you gotta be careful. Oh my God. It's a big old boy. Stop playing. No, he back. He is a big old boy though.
You did this.
No, he ain't. He's still moving. Down there. He's beautiful.
Get that phone off there.
Huh?
Get your phone off there.
No, we don't have to do that yet. Go ahead.
Cut them up and get some caviar.
It's still breathing.
You gonna see? No, that's not wet.
Go ahead and kill him. Go ahead, Mike, kill him. You gotta chop him up.
How you feeling? You just cut the head off?
Nah, you gotta chop him. Squid.
Them bitches is swimming over to him. Let it line up a little bit.
Look at that big silver beef right there.
Big, I know the
Yeah,
snap,
man.
ain't about to snap no more.
Wait, hold on. Let me make sure this one ain't Brett. Look, bro. Yeah, Steve. You gotta make sure you gotta make sure. Nah, he dropping the
You're
damn.
dropping the damn fish, man. Come on, let's get to work.
All right, this is what we got. This is the meat we working with. I'm saying, you know what I'm saying? We ain't the best for layers, you know what I'm saying? But hey,
First time for lamb, catfish, man.
Man, I don't know about that skin, but feel that.
I know, but once they get fried, you know. Have you? All right, I'm trying to think. You ate catfish?
man, it's
from
about that time to fry them up, man.
Huh?
About that time to fry them up.
Have you ate catfish from Mayflower?
Got the seasoning ready to go.
I'm about to cook. I'm about to show y'all how to do that right there. You feel me? I'm about to show you how to do that right there, season. See, we got the Old Bay season. We're gonna put that right there, man. We got dash season. Never used this before, but I think it's about to be good. Matter of fact, yeah. Anyway, we got some chili powders. I'm gonna put it on here. Got your slap your mama right here. You feel me? You can't go wrong with slap your mama, okay? You got some chicken grilling season. Now this is really good on catfish. Right? First thing we want to do is get the container and put that stuff, all this in a thing.
Oh my God, that thing is good, bro.
All that, clean that fish in.
Brandon, your line.
Motherfucking still fighting. Oh.
Ass tasting.
Hmm?
Your ass tasting.
Taste of what?
That fish.
Hmm? It's alright. I can use some salt. Probably don't.
Oh, good, baby. You tried it?
It's a hot sauce on that bot.
Yeah, put some hot sauce in that bitch. That bitch probably be good.
That's what it's missing.
Let me see.
Now, tell you what,
That's that fresh, fresh.
there's a piece in there that has a bone. Please be careful.
Piece that got a bone.
There's one piece in one of these catfish that has a bone.
I'm gonna grab some of that. Oh,
Ooh, I like that like this.
okay.
That didn't look good.
Put that.
That like that
I
though.
gotta cook it.
But everything else. That shit was Gucci, bro. What? Gave it to Mike, baby.
Right. Potato.
Might have took the fish a long time, like crispy type shit.
Yeah. He's like this.
But that battered it. It's good like that too. Instead of a dry flour, just put water in it.
Successful day out there.
Right?
Successful day. I told you.
Well, that's it.
Where's your other fish at? I didn't see them.
Saying, I'm about to eat this fish. But the chips was good, you know what I'm saying? I'll let y'all next time.